Do you want to grow your business to the next level and manage your numbers better? If you answered yes, then you must watch this video. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're going to show you a revolutionary new way to view and analyze your CSV and Excel spreadsheet data. This exciting new software is called Data Analysis and Business Intelligence Buddy, and here's how to see the story in your numbers in mere seconds. First, let's start a new analysis. Under the File menu, select the New Analysis option. A new analysis window is now created for you. You can open additional analysis windows at any time simply by selecting the New Analysis option as many times as you need. This gives you the option to view multiple data at the same time or the same data with multiple different views. If you have multiple screens, you can also drag the analysis window to the other screen. Let's close this second analysis window down for now. Simply right-click the tab of the analysis window you want to close and select Close from the pop-up menu. Now, let's go and get our data. Click the Get Data button here at the top, and a file window will open. Here, you can select to either import data from a .csv file or from the .xlsx Excel file. Here, we're going to import data from an Excel spreadsheet. So we will select .xlsx and then choose the Excel file and click Open. Make sure the first row in your .csv or .xlsx Excel file contains the column names. Opening up the file for our example data reveals the top row, or row number 1, containing the column names. Let's get back to our analysis now. If you have multiple worksheets in your Excel spreadsheets, you will now be given the option to select which worksheet you would like to view the analysis on. Here, we only have one worksheet to choose from, Orders, so we will select that and click Go to continue. On the left pane of the analysis window, there is now 2 sections visible on that pane. The top section lists the fields in the worksheet you just imported. In my case, the Orders worksheet. The bottom section is where you create your analysis view. So let's get started. In this example, we will analyze the profit of this company. So we just click and drag the profit field from the top section and drag it into the sum values box below. Now that we have set up what the numbers we want to analyze, we need to set up how we want to show the analysis. So for the column headings, let's start with the product category. So we will drag and drop the product category at the top here into the column fields box here in the bottom section. So instantly you can now visually see a total profit for each of the product categories: furniture, office, supplies, and technology. Let's now break out the totals into regions so we can see how each region is doing. We do this by clicking and dragging the region field from the top section and placing it into the row fields box below. Once again, instantly, you can now see a breakout of the profit by region based on the data contained in the table. Here in this case, Central, East, South, and West. But don't stop here. We can drill down further into the data by breaking out the regions even further. Simply by dragging the state field into the row field box, we now get an analysis by state. Here we can see we have the states Illinois, Kansas, Minnesota, Nebraska, and Texas in the central region with a breakout of profit for each. Now, if you're a visual person, you can view this data analysis in a graphical way. Click the Chart tab here across the top, and you can now visually view the data in a graphical way. And you can customize the graphical view to your liking. Select the Chart menu item here at the top. In the drop-down menu, select Chart Type, and then pick your view: column, area, line, or scatter. Any of these chart data can easily be printed for insertion into your presentation. Click the Report button in the menu above and a preview of your report will be shown. Simply select Print to now print your document. Now you can make your data even easier to read by adding color. By adding color, we can visually see which products are making a profit and in which regions. So let's begin by right-clicking the profit field in the Sum Values box. From the pop-up menu, we will select Field Settings, and then click on the High Value tab. Now we will select that any values above 10, and we select Absolute here, will display with a green background. Now click OK, and you can immediately see any product with a profit higher than 10. Now, once again, right-click Profit and select Field Settings, and then the Low Values tab here at the top. Any values below the absolute value of 11 will display in red. Again, now we can immediately see which products are not making a profit in each region. We've shown you how to print complete reports for you to add to your presentations, but what if you want to only include one of these reports in your presentation? Well, you can do a screen capture instead then. Click the Screen Capture menu along the top here, and then using your cursor, click and drag on the portion of the screen you want to capture. Then release your mouse button to capture that screen portion and place it into your clipboard. Now simply open up your software document and paste your screen capture into that document. And lastly, if you have a Dropbox account, you can easily access your Dropbox by selecting the Open Dropbox menu item. Your File Explorer window will now open, giving you access to your files in the cloud for saving or retrieving. So there you have it, an exciting new way to analyze and view your data like you have never seen before. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Click on the Buy button below and see what the story is behind your numbers.